Hello, you fucking whores. Thank you for tagging me in a shotgun beer, but I'm gonna do it to prove to you that I will, and I can. Maybe. Here's my beer. There it is. I just got home from work. Don't judge. Here we go. Oh, while I'm doing this, I need to call out probably... Ooh, whoa. Harry Clark and Matthew Woodbury. That's right. I'm just gonna fold these in because nobody likes blood. Well, maybe some of you weirdos do. And now I'm gonna do it. So, I guess, oh, why did I make it on that end? This is gonna end badly. I can already tell. Alright. That was one of the worst things I ever did. I don't know why you guys want me to do this, but cheers!